Have you ever noticed how some towns have almost everything you need, while smaller communities might only offer basic services? This common pattern isn't random. It reveals an underlying structure to how human settlements and their services are organized across a landscape. Central place theory, a cornerstone in urban geography, provides a powerful framework for understanding the size, number, and distribution of human settlements within an urban system. Developed by German geographer Walter Christaller in the 1930s, this theory explains why urban centers form a hierarchical network offering goods and services. At its heart, central place theory proposes that settlements function as central places providing services to surrounding hinterlands or complementary regions. Christaller made several simplifying assumptions to build his model. He imagined an isotropic plane, a perfectly flat, uniform land surface with evenly distributed resources and population. All consumers have similar purchasing power and travel behavior, seeking to minimize their travel distance to obtain goods and services. The theory then introduces two critical concepts: threshold and range. A threshold is the minimum population or market size required to support a particular service or business. For instance, a small convenience store needs fewer customers to survive than a large department store or a specialized hospital. The range is the maximum distance consumers are willing to travel to obtain that good or service. People will travel further for a rare medical specialist than for a loaf of bread. These concepts lead to a hierarchy of central places. Low-order central places offer low threshold and low-range goods, like basic groceries, and are numerous and close together. High-order central places offer high threshold and high-range goods, such as specialized medical care or luxury items. These are fewer in number and spaced further apart. This spatial arrangement naturally creates a hexagonal pattern of service areas, which is the most efficient shape for covering an area without overlap or gaps. You can observe the principles of central place theory when you consider where different types of stores or services are located. Basic necessities are widely available in many small towns, but you might need to travel to a larger city for a specialized shopping experience or advanced medical treatment. This theory helps us predict where new services might emerge or how existing ones are sustained. Beyond just theoretical curiosity, central place theory offers valuable insights for practical applications. For example, urban planners use its principles to understand ideal locations for new infrastructure or public services. Businesses also apply these ideas in market analysis to strategically place retail outlets, maximizing their customer base and ensuring profitability. It reveals the intricate economic interactions that underpin urban development. Understanding central place theory allows us to interpret the organized patterns we see in our urban landscapes, from the smallest village to the largest metropolis. It highlights the fundamental relationship between population, service provision, and spatial efficiency, offering a key lens through which to view the structure and function of cities and regions globally.